Assalamu alaikum and happy new year everyone. How are you all? And I hope you guys are really fine. Last year was like a breeze and it went so well. Last year was full of challenges and so many new things. And just like that, I hope this year will also be just as amazing as last year. So let's enjoy our every moment and live to it. To make a great memory of today, we did something special, of course. We came to this restaurant, Arsenal, and this was like an old restaurant we had in our place. But the thing was that it was many years ago. So I could say that it was almost 5 or 6 years ago. I have last had the food from this restaurant. This restaurant was the best. The food here is like so amazing. So after so many days we just figured out that there was this restaurant in Dubai, so we were like, of course we have to go. As you can see, we are already here, and the most famous thing about here is their biryani. That is absolute best. You would find just as amazing as India biryani in this restaurant. It was so amazing. We ordered all the things we used to eat before, like so many years ago. We ordered the same exact thing, and it had that exact same deliciousness. I don't know if it was just us or it was just like more yummy now, or maybe because we didn't had it for many years, that's why. Like, what a great way to start our whole year. Having the food after many years and enjoying it so much. And as you can see, 1st Jan, New Year, everything was packed up. Like, anywhere you go, you will find people. A lot of people. And there's no space for you left. So we had to park so long and far away. Our car was here and we were there because the restaurant was there and no parking space was left in front of the restaurant. So we had to park such a long way. And we also had to walk a lot after eating, so it was kind of tiring. But anyway, after that my mom felt a little bit sick, so we were just heading home. Also, my schools are reopening tomorrow. I had to get done a lot of stuff before tomorrow. My exams are coming. This year is just bringing a lot of pressure, new goals, new aims, and everything. It's just so good and so well. We also took some takeout from the restaurant for our dinner because my Ammu did not cook anything. We only told her not to because why would she? It's her holiday too. So we just took takeaway. We came home and saw our birds were literally screaming due to hunger. We quickly gave some food and here are they. So cute. Here's the takeaway food we bought. We just bought biryani and the chicken lahori. We ordered the same thing. It was so amazing. So we got the chicken biryani special. And don't forget to tell me in the comments that what are your New Year's resolutions for this year. It will be so great to know each one of yours. I hope you like this video and Happy New Year again. Bye bye.